The TUMI Alpha Bravo Duffel is a versatile travel companion that seamlessly transitions from a rolling duffel to a backpack, catering to the needs of modern travelers. Crafted from durable ballistic nylon, this bag offers weather-resistant protection, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure during your journeys. With a generous capacity of 40 liters, the bag's interior is designed for efficiency, featuring tie-down straps and zipper pockets for organized packing. The sleek exterior is not only stylish with a prominent TUMI logo, but also functional, offering a TSA-friendly lock and a daisy chain loop for added convenience. Comfort is prioritized with adjustable straps and a retractable fabric panel, allowing for easy conversion to backpack mode while covering the wheels. The inclusion of the TUMI Tracer program adds peace of mind by assisting in the recovery of lost or stolen bags, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.